Okay, so they just came back from camp. They're supposed to be tired. Look at him. Get him, Nook! Oh my god. Look at Nook. Look at him. He's a wiggle worm on the back. Foxy can't get up there because he's too little. I've never seen him do that before. Look at him. They're supposed to be tired when they come home from camp. They're crazy. They're crazy. What are you doing, Nook? What are you doing, Nook? What are you doing? What are you doing, Nook? What are you doing, Nook? What are you doing? You can't. He's gonna fall off. What are you doing, Nook? Get him, Fox. Get him. Well, what about you, Max? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you're not tired? You're not tired from camp? You're not? I thought you had the time at camp today to play. No? You want to play some more? Huh? Do you like the new rug? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, man. I'm gonna get you, Max.